In this video, I'll guide you through the how to add a photo gallery to your Webflow website builder. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just starting out, that creating a visually appealing photo gallery can enhance your website and engage your visitors. So let's dive right in and make your web pages shine with vibrant images. First, you'll need to go to webflow.com and log into your account. If you're not already a Webflow user, you'll need to sign up for an account. But for this tutorial, we're assuming you're already set up. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying all your projects. Now, select the site you'll want to work on and click to open it. This will take you into the Webflow Designer where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Designer, you'll want to focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a range of tools that allow you to add and customize elements on your page. Look for the Add Elements panel, which is represented by a plus icon. Go ahead and click on it. This panel is your gateway to all sorts of elements, from text and buttons to more complex components like sliders and, of course, photo galleries. Once you've clicked on Add Elements, it's time to search for the element we're after, the lightbox. The lightbox feature in Webflow is perfect for creating a photo gallery because it allows images to be displayed in a larger view when clicked, providing an interactive experience for your site visitors. Type Lightbox into the search bar, and when it appears, drag it onto your page and place it in a container. Using a container will help keep your layout structured and responsive. With the Lightbox in place, the next step is to duplicate it. Right-click on the Lightbox element you just added, and then select Duplicate. This action will create a copy of the Lightbox, which you can then move around or customize. Duplicating the lightbox is a quick way to fill your gallery with multiple images. Feel free to duplicate as many times as necessary depending on how many images you plan to showcase. Now comes the fun part, uploading your images. Click on each lightbox individually and you'll see an option to upload an image. Choose the images you want to display in your gallery from your computer. Be mindful of the image sizes and formats to ensure that they load quickly and look great on all devices. Each lightbox should have a unique image to give your gallery a diverse and appealing look. And there you have it. You've successfully added a photo gallery to your Webflow website. This gallery is not only functional, but also an elegant way to display images, whether you're highlighting your portfolio, showcasing products, or sharing memories. Remember, you can always go back and adjust the layout, add captions, or tweak the design to better match the aesthetic of your site. With these simple steps, you can transform your Webflow website into a more engaging and visually appealing platform. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more Webflow features to continue enhancing your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tips and tricks. Happy designing!